welcome back to another video. We're just heading up to Helvellyn now from Glenridding. So we're going to just set off following the path up, park the cars in the village, heading up there, have a wild camp hopefully on Catsy Camp, and then come back down in the morning. Hopefully the weather holds out, but it does talk of rain, so we'll see what happens. Stick around. I'm just stopping for a breather. And views back there of Ullswater, absolutely stunning. The sun's coming out now as well, so it's warming up a bit, but still got a fair way to go yet. But it's been a few months since I was up a hill, so I'm a bit out of shape, but we'll just keep plodding on slow and steady, keeping look at those views as we go along. Stunning. 1.6 miles we've done, straight uphill. Pretty tough going considering we haven't been out for a while. The views keep coming and going, and looks pretty foggy at the top, so probably not going to see a lot when we get up there. Just come over this brow, and the path heads off there. That's the Swirrel Edge up there, Helvellyn, comes round and then down Catsy Camp. So it's pretty thick at the top, but we'll go and have a look. Just made it up to the hole in the wall. Can't see Ullswater anymore, the old fog's rolled in. But it's quite busy down towards Red Tarn. We're going to head up into the Clag. So we're up on Swirrel Edge now. That way, can't really see a lot. The rain's set in, so we've got coats on. Fog set in, so you can't see anything. Just see down to the tarn, but that's about it. So we're going to go around Helvellyn Trig Point, and then we'll have a look somewhere to camp. Weather forecast says rain from 4, so I think it's about 4 now. 5 to 4, pretty accurate. So yeah, we'll go find the trig. Then find somewhere to camp. We love it. There's Dave up on the edge, and it's a straight drop down. Quite a way. I better get up there. riding edge. Back there. We're going to find the trig point. That was pretty tough going, to be honest. Kept losing the path. Ended up getting to the end and it was sheer drops, had to backtrack. Climb down, climb up. So we're up anyway. Views are brilliant. Rain's setting in again. Trig point. And I think we're going to screw it down to Red Tarn and camp down by the Tarn. Made it! Helvellyn trig point. Views are just priceless. We've done it. We just missed the turning for Swirrel Edge. Went past, so had to backtrack. Now we're heading down. It's pretty steep again. Really thick fog, but we're out the wind, we're out the rain. So steady descent down now. I think we're just going to head for Red Tarn. Alright, we've made it down to Red Tarn. A little bit clearer down here. Not great, but we're going to try and find a couple of flat spots. Get the tents pitched up. Have some food. Hungry. So we're just down at Red Tarn. All set up. It's the first time using my Helvellyn. I've had it for a year. Not even used it, so it's the first time doing it. Inside, got a Rab Summit 600 XL and the Thermarest Neo Air X-Lite mat under there, and a Vango Deep Therm sleep pillow. Got my puffy jacket on the top, some dry socks there, or warm socks for later. Spare clothes, food, stove, stuff down there, water. And now it's time for a beer. Time for some food. Time for some food. And I've got a new one to try tonight actually. I was sent by Eat Sleep Wild. So I'm going to try that and let you know how it is. It is, so they're a small company, hand make all their stuff. This is a mushroom and orzo bolognese, so it's all vegetarian. Yeah, all made in small batches. So I've got a few of these to try, so I'm going to try this one tonight, see how it goes. That smells really good. So now I need to add 300 ml of water. I think these are 600 ml. Sure they are. Can't see. 600 ml, so half of this bottle into there. Maybe a little bit too much, but that's fine. And then it says bring the water to the boil and simmer for 5 minutes, stir regularly, and add more water to suit your preferred consistency. So 5 minutes in there and that should be done. Chucking it down my rain now. I'm beginning out on the tent. The wind's picked up, but I'm laid inside the tent, just on my sleeping bag. Apple crunch, custard apple crunch. First time I've had that. Really nice. Bit stodgy, but Very good. I'm not going to do a lot else tonight, so I'll probably catch you in the morning. Good night. All packed up already. It just wind and rain all night, so you didn't get any sleep. Let's chuck it down now. So that's where the tent was. There's the tarn. We're going to head out, back up that ridge, and along back down to Glenriddin. A couple of hours probably. But still no views this morning. So yeah, we'll just crack on. We'll see what happens. Just managed to come down out of the clag now. You can just see all the water and Glen riding in the bottom. I'm just going to follow this path down, it just sort of loops down, straight down that valley. That sun's just coming out. Still sideways rain, it's real fine stuff now, but it just absolutely soaks you. So yeah, sun's coming out. Hopefully when we get down the bottom, it should be a nice day. So yeah, we'll keep going now, not too far, see Glenriddin. So we get down there, see if we can get some coffee.